Okay, so you sent over some info on this 3D printable wall-mounted thing for Oral-B electric toothbrushes.
Yeah.
A dock.
A dock, yeah.
For families.
There's space for 2 chargers, 2 toothbrushes, and then get this, up to 5 heads.
5 heads.
5 toothbrush heads. Wow.
So yeah, if you've got a family where everybody's got their own brush head and you're constantly like, where did this one go?
Yeah.
Is it clean?
Yeah, are we sharing?
Whose is this?
It solves that problem.
All right, so let's talk about the visual aspect of this too, because
yeah.
one of the things that I noticed in the sources that you sent was how much emphasis there was on just making the bathroom counter less visually cluttered.
Right. One of the really clever features they've built in is cable management.
Okay.
So all those messy charger cables that you usually have,
Yeah.
they actually get tucked away inside the unit itself.
Oh, so you don't even see them?
You don't see them.
Okay, that's nice.
No more tangled wires, no more kind of like that visual headache first thing in the morning.
Yeah, clean lines.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's the visual clutter.
Yeah.
But now let's talk about actually getting this thing set up.
Yeah.
Because I'm not the most DIY person.
Sure. Well, from what I gather, they've made it really user-friendly.
Okay.
So you've got a couple of options. You can do a damage-free installation
Okay.
with like double-sided tape or nano tape.
So if you're renting,
If you're renting, yeah, or you just don't want to put holes in your wall.
yeah, you don't want to commit.
Exactly. But if you do want something more permanent,
Okay.
they've also got screw holes so you can really like mount it securely.
So it's flexible.
It's flexible. Yeah, it adapts to you.
I like that.
Yeah. The top section is actually removable.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to like unscrew the whole thing from the wall every time you want to clean it.
Yeah, just pop the top off.
Yeah, you just pop the top off, wipe it down, and you're good to go.
So it's family friendly, it's tackling clutter, it's easy to install, it's easy to clean.
Yep.
So it seems like, based on everything we've seen, this 3D printable Oral-B family station really does kind of tick all the boxes.
It does.
It's got the capacity, it's got the cable management, it's flexible in terms of how you install it.
Yep.
It's easy to clean, and it's easy to print. Well, on that note,
Yeah.
thanks for joining me for this deep dive. I think we all learned a lot today, and hopefully everybody out there listening is feeling inspired to go tackle some of their bathroom chaos.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
Catch you next time.
See ya. Bye.
Hello, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.